Did you know a famous writer's last words were never finished? In Beverly Farms, Massachusetts, John Updike's typewriter sits frozen in time, January 27, 2009. He was writing when illness struck. Mid-sentence, the keys went silent. His wife kept everything exactly as he left it. The half-empty coffee cup, still there. Reading glasses perched on unfinished notes, untouched. Books splayed open to passages that sparked his final thoughts. Waiting. Morning light streams through the same windows. It touches the scattered manuscript pages like it did that last day. His favorite pen rests where his fingers dropped it. The room breathes with his absence. This isn't just a preserved office. It's a shrine to interrupted creativity, to dreams cut short, to words that will never be. The silence screams louder than any bestseller, because sometimes what's left unfinished tells the most powerful story of all. In that room, time stopped, but the story continues. Every object whispers what could have been. The most haunting stories are the ones that end mid-sentence.